next question is from Pierre in Minnesota. Can you give me a few ways to invest in my first deal with little money? I am 20 years old.
20 years old. Okay, that's great. 20 years old, one of the best ways, since you want to invest, did he say one of my first deals? My deals? Okay, well, you can come in as a non-accredited investor. That means somebody without a net worth of 1 million. I'm going to assume you're not a Silicon Valley startup and you haven't hit $1 million yet, but maybe by 21, you never know, right? But you want to invest, you can invest $25,000 and come in, buy one share of MIGSIF, a fund that has been up and running for over 11 years now, and you will be getting 6%, a lot better than 1% in the bank. And then that way you will get into the fund, you will get to see how the fund functions, you will get updates directly from me. When we do any events, you get invited to them, you get to see, you get to get involved in the business and compound your returns. And if you keep investing every year a little bit more, you really can compound your money in a very, very good way, especially if you have a retirement account. Like people talk about compounding, and you can compound your money at 6 or 8%. Well, guess what? My fund does compound the money. You can reinvest the money and it compounds. And we've had people, the fund has been up and running for years. A friend of my wife had invested with us about 10 years ago, and I'm always fascinated. She started with 200, moved it to 250. She has over $500,000 in the fund. She was hoping to make like 100,000 extra over time so she can pay for the kids' college. Now she can pay for the colleges plus. So yeah, that's a good way to start with me if you want.
Jump into commercial real estate discussion like these people. Apply for CRE Mastermind. Click the link in description.